Hello there and welcome again. My name is Ponjul Zwalda and I am your geography teacher. Today we will be talking about directions. Directions, very important. And let's see how to read directions on any map at all. So let's go into the lesson. There are four major points of direction and those are called cardinal points. Cardinal points are north, south, west, and east. A problem, people know this, but the problem usually is where any cardinal point is located. For me, I have found this to be very useful. It is easy to remember that your north is up and your south is down, but it's not always easy to remember where west is from the east. The little trick that helps me is the word we. If you can remember the word we, you will always remember that W comes before the E. And so that means W, it's on the right, on the left, and your east, which is E, is on the right. Okay, so midway between between two cardinal points is what we refer to as midway points. Midway points. And midway points are this. An example is your northeast. So between north and east, halfway between north and east is what we refer to as, that direction is called northeast. Okay, so remember that it is not called east-north, it is called northwest. Why? Because north and south takes precedence over west and east. So your north will come wherever you have north and west or north and east. Your north will come first before the east. Okay, and same so also for south and east. South will come first. So this midway point is northeast here. And the direction between south and east is a midway point that is called southeast, right? And the midway point between south and west is southwest, and so is northwest. Just looking at northwest, that should ring a bell. I'm sure it rings a bell that in South Africa there's a province called Northwest, and that's because it is located on the northwestern side of South Africa. So northwest means the midpoint between north and west. Now going further is the next type of points that are called intermediate points. What are intermediate points? Intermediate points are the points between a midway point and a cardinal point. So an example is midway between northeast and north is what we call northeast. Remember, of course, your north and south will take precedence over the midway point. So we have north first, followed by northeast, and that's the name of that intermediate point is northeast. All right, and then the intermediate points between east and northeast is east northeast, because the east will take precedence over northeast. Okay, it's a cardinal point, so it should be treated with more respect, so to speak, over the midway point. So we have this area called the east northeast. I hope this makes sense to you. It should be easy to come up with this points and points of direction. If you are in an exam situation or wherever you need to know direction, just do that and put your cardinal points and you will be able to determine your midway points and your intermediate points. And so all of the points that we use in geography total up to 16 of them, and these are referred to as compass points. They are used for compass direction, and it's important that you're able to tell the direction of one point from the other. So let's see if you can do that. Okay, now here is the map, and we have 3 points. I have put 3 points on this map, points A, B, and C. Let's see if we can tell the direction of one point from the other. An example is point A on the map from point B. So point A, what is the direction of point A from point B? And because I am saying from point B then becomes your starting point. So if you are at point B, what will be the direction of A? Now, going back to your compass directions or to your our compass directions, sorry about that, just trying to wipe this off. Looking at our compass directions, which of all these compass points, which direction best suits the direction of A from B? I am sure you will agree with me that A is northeast of B, all right? You can see. So if you like, just do this for the sake of clarity. I hope you can see that color. If from point B, I put my major compass point, right? You'll see that point A will best fall as northeast because this is north and that is east. So we'll say point A is northeast of point B. All right. Now, how about B from A? Let's try and work out the direction of point B from A. Permit me to use this beautiful color. And because now we have decided that point A is our starting point, we will put our lines there, right? And try to determine our cardinal points and try to determine what compass direction is B from point A. Now, looking at this, you will agree with me that B best suits the midway point between south and west. So what will you call point B? What is the direction of B from A? Of course, it is southwest. So point B is southwest of point A. Can you see how these directions are determined? I would want you, therefore, to try and determine these directions, okay, of this point, point D from point P. Do that and see if you get these answers. I have put the answers there in green for you, all right? And try and see if what you come up with aligns with what I have here. Of interest to me would be how you get southwest, okay? And that's point K from point P. And so if it is from point P, you will make point P your starting point. And midway point from there is southwest, all right? And we see that point K is not aligning, is not around southwest. It's actually lower from southwest, more towards the south than it is to southwest, okay? So we can say point K is probably midway of southwest and south. So what will be the compass direction of K from P? I see that you agree with me that that point K will be southwest of point P. Right, so we'll leave it there for today, and I will see you in the next lesson when we explore our world one lesson at a time. See you. Bye-bye.